Getting calls on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro? Here's how to quickly answer or reject calls with or without even touching your phone with head gesture or voice controls. So, when there's an incoming call, pinch once to answer or to end call. If you're not ready to talk, just pinch and hold the sensor to decline it. To take hands-free calls, open your Galaxy Buds settings and just enter Voice Controls. Then enter Voice Commands. Turn it on. Then select your own language. And then you can use hands-free voice commands when there's an incoming call. Just say Answer Call or Reject Call to dismiss one totally hands-free. You can even accept or decline calls with simple head gestures if you turn it on in the settings, and make sure Yes or Accept and No or Decline is set to the right gestures. And then, while there's an incoming call, nod to answer or shake to reject the phone calls. That's it for today. Thanks for your time.